To adjust the transparency level of message bubbles in Messages app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Samsung Messages app and then open the chat with the contact you want to customize. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right and then tap customize chat room. Now drag the slider below bubble opacity to the left to get more transparent bubbles, or drag it to the right to get more solid bubbles. Tap the back key twice. As you can see that the message bubbles in the selected chat are now displayed with the predefined transparency level given to the function. Adjusting bubble opacity lets you customize the look of your conversation for better readability or aesthetic. A more transparent bubble can create a sleek, modern look, while a solid bubble ensures clear text visibility, especially with busy wallpapers. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.